So it has been a hot minute. Hello. It is June 14th, 2025. It was just very recently a birthday in our house. And today it is dreary, it is bleary, but we're going to go to the park and I am not going to take any anxiety medicine. I'm gonna raw dog it. We're raw dogging the park. So I'm gonna put my little C-bands on because I do get car sick really easily. And then also these help, I feel like, prevent me from getting too nervous in the car. So also, I've got a little review for you. Tarani, we've got beef, Tarani. I needed some toffee because I really like toffee syrup. I like a toffee nut syrup latte and coffee and iced coffee and all that. So I was like, oh, let me just go on Amazon, right? Because I'm not going to go to Starbucks. I've not been to Starbucks in literal years. This tastes like nothing. It's nothing. 0 star. I downsized my sourdough starter. She's so little, she's so cute. She's not wanting to rise because I forgot to feed her for like a week. Ready? Jump! Jump! We've got a little tortoise. How did the tortoise cross the road? The Boy Scout helped him. Eagle Scout, sorry. It's Sunday, it's Father's Day. Look at the floors. Look at the floors. Did this for Mother's Day. We had this carpet in here that I was so scared to show at any point because it was horrific, original from the house. It wasn't that it was ugly, it was fine. It was like a weird mauve color, but it was gross. And this is where we eat. This is where my little boys eat. So they would drop crumbs and it was just so hard to clean it. I'd have my little vacuum, I'd vacuum it, but it was like they'd spill juice, berries, all sorts of things. So very nice. My husband did that for me before. Here's our upstairs area. Got boys, little boy toys. And here's the little office. It's kind of become a catch-all. We've got all sorts of sewing and knitting stuff. We've got Wyatt's 3D printer and his stuff. We've got paperwork, vinyls, keepsakes, and we've got desktop computers. So I'm going to organize this. I don't really know where to start, but we're just gonna help. So I've been going for about an hour and a half. Wyatt is experimenting. He's trying to fix the printer right now. Can you tell what it is? He's got this really cool wood filament. I got up all the paperwork off the floor, organized it and everything like that. This is just kind of a catch-all of paperwork and mail and everything. So now I'm just deciding, like, how do I want everything to look, right? Because like that's gonna stay there and these little drawers are gonna stay there, and then I've got all of my sewing stuff I've got to do too. And I need to reorganize that. So that's just gonna be something. Things like that. And then I've got 2 paper shredders. Do I need 2 paper shredders? I think one of the big things is finding a place for all of the old electronics, because I have an issue throwing away electronics. Look at my fabrics. Look how cute these fabrics are. Look at this. I don't know if I can show you. Look, it's the roosters and the chickens. Oh, I love this color too. So cute. And I've got like this part, but then I've also got this for the chickens. I wanted to make a dress out of this, but I don't know if I have enough. And I've never made a dress before, so look how cute this is. Oh, is this not the cutest thing? I love the colors. It's pink and baby green. I found this, like, I think this is supposed to be like a doily or like a table runner, but somebody used it for something. I probably did. So I'm gonna roll that up. I take the boxes for diapers and I cut off the pieces and then I use it to roll up the fabric and keep it. What's it called? A bolt? A bolt of fabric?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a lot. We had to make kind of a mess to kind of figure it out, but I'm liking how it's coming along. I like seeing all the different fabrics and the yarn and everything. We got this, but we just can't find one of the pieces that I know that I have somewhere. I just can't remember where I put it, but it's cute. It's so cute. I have so much more thread out in the garage that I need to go get, but for right now, we need to call it quits and need to go make some supper. Welcome to June, Monday, June 16th. Welcome to Monday, June 16th. Oh, Lord. All right, I'm gonna put you far away so you can see it as good. So I was not able to finish the office upstairs yesterday, and that's perfectly fine. Got 2 little boys who needed to get up from their nap. It's okay. It's still up there waiting for me to finish. I have got laundry to do. I need to change sheets. I also need to get ready for baby chicks. We are getting some baby chicks this weekend. I'm not entirely sure what breeds we're getting because, to be honest, I feel like when I'm selective about my breeds, I get bad luck. And I end up with roosters, or they end up being mean or anything like that, because there is some inherent personality even with chickens, like my girl Ruth. Now Ruth is a barred rock, don't know how to say it. She's black and white. Her name is short for Ruthless. She is ruthless to everyone except for humans. She is so food motivated, it's hilarious. Just like Apple, who is cleaning up from breakfast. And jabberoonies. Oh, anyway, we're gonna keep cleaning up the office upstairs because the upstairs is just like the perfect playroom, and I need to switch out their toys. So if you don't know, my mommy painted this, and my mommy painted this. So you'll be like, oh, I recognize that. It's because it's a master study. So I'm not saying like, oh, my mom's the one that painted the famous. She did a master study. Okay, and then she also painted this one. My mommy painted it. Okay. If you don't know, if you have little ones, it's good to cycle through their toys because eventually they will kind of get bored with the same ones over and over and over again. We had a birthday very recently, so he got some new toys, which they're both very, very close in age, so they both really, really enjoy. But the upstairs has their little jungle gym that we got. We haven't gotten to play that because my mom was staying with us for a while, and she has just recently left, so upstairs is open. So we are gonna go play upstairs and work upstairs, and we're gonna go do some laundry. I have a vision for here, right? I wanna put like a tabletop across the top and then like cabinets and everything, because I buy everything in bulk, right? I buy everything in bulk, so I got these bulk things. And I am the type of person that likes to buy things and then put it into pretty containers. I'm sorry. You look like you want to wiggle. You're a good boy. Oh, he's such a good boy. Still need to zhuzh it up, decorations, but there's nothing on the floor. I mean, there's paper dots, there's some thread. I got a vacuum in here, but okay. Sewing things, I think this is the real star over here. I mean, I figured out my electronics. It fits perfectly over here. Wyatt's got his 3D printer stuff. He's running into an issue. If anybody's got like troubleshooting, it's like the nozzle is really clogged. He's been fiddle-farting with it. He probably knows exactly what's wrong, but it's been a pain. So yarn, little fabric, more extra yarn, some fabric, sewing machine, yarn ball maker, some thread. I have a pretty thread holder out in the garage I'm actually gonna go get right now. Isn't it cute? All of those back there, that's all fabric and thread. It's not the cutest thing. I feel like they don't make like these little heart things anymore. I feel like furniture used to have a little heart everywhere. I love it, or at least my grannies did. So I've got my little thread, yarn thingy, sewing, all that stuff. There is more thread obviously in there, but that's what I'm keeping for right now. Oh my goodness. I know it probably doesn't look very good, but to me it looks really good. I like it a lot. Right, we get the desktop going. It's not the prettiest, but we got it going. So look at little boys. Yay, helpers. I got something done. Next time we gotta go get some fertilizer and spread it out on the garden because my garden's not doing very good, and don't look at that. I'll see you next time. Bye.